Assalamu alaikum dear students, myself Dr. Saidan Rain and I am once again back with important formulas and definition assignment of electrostatics. Let's watch. Dear students, we are going to study some important formulas related to electrostatics today so that we can revise all the important formulas before solving our numericals. Students, you should know about the formulas of Coulomb's force, Coulomb's constant, electric permittivity of free space, electrostatic force and electric field. Students, you have also learned about the formulas of electric field by using Coulomb's force, electric flux, Gauss's law, electric flux and field due to hollow charge sphere, and electric intensity due to an infinite sheet of charge. Moreover, you have also learned about the electric intensity between two oppositely charged plates, potential gradient, and the formula of potential energy or work done. You have also calculated the electric potential due to a point charge, gravitational force, charge of an electron formula by using Millikan's method. In Millikan's method experiment, you have also calculated the radius of a charged droplet. Then you have studied about capacitance of a capacitor, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with medium and without medium. You have also studied about the dielectric constant or relative permittivity of any dielectric medium, energy stored in a capacitor, energy density, time constant, Ohm's law, and electric current. Dear students, you have to remember all these formulas before solving our numericals of the chapter of electrostatics. That's why I have collected all the important formulas at one place for you. Now students, as you have completed your whole chapter of electrostatics, so I am giving you an assignment of important definitions related to electrostatics. So you have to complete this assignment on time. You have to answer all these questions. Define electrostatics, define charge, how many types of charges we have, what is an electrostatic force, which electrostatic force exists between similar and opposite charges. State Coulomb's law, define permittivity of free space, define Coulomb's constant, define electric field, what are electric field lines, define xerography, what do you mean by a photoconductor, what is a toner. What is the principle of working of photocopier and inkjet printers, electric flux, when it will be maximum, minimum, Gauss's law, surface charge density, electric potential, potential energy, volt and potential gradient. Prove that 1 volt per meter is equal to 1 Newton per Coulomb, electron volt, its value, differentiate between electric and gravitational forces, what is the charge on an electron and what is a capacitor. Moreover, you have to define the capacitance of a capacitor, dielectric constant, electric polarization, dipole, energy stored in a capacitor, energy density, time constant, and finally prove its value. Now student, you should keenly and thoroughly study the whole chapter of electrostatics so that you would be able to answer all of these 35 questions. If you have any problem, you can comment me also in the comment section. That's all for today students. You can like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. If you have any problem, you can comment me also. Until the next lecture, take care. Allah Hafiz.